Hi, here's Mark Imevo. We're here at Dusky. Oh, there's a nice waterfall. Well, at least we got a waterfall. This one, I didn't see too much of the waterfall department. Okay, Dusky Fjord. Dusky Sound, which is a fjord in New Zealand. I did know that. I just wanted to be joking. Okay, look at that fantastic waterfall. You can really listen. Hear the sound of the water. Hear and see the sound of the water. Love it, love it. Okay, let me give you more of a 180-degree view. Very pretty. So come with us, Eva and Mark, when we take you to all of the fjords of New Zealand and all over New Zealand, rest of the world, the United States, wherever you want to go, we'll take you there, and you'll have a great time because we will set it up for you. Okay, greetings from Dusky Falls, Dusky Sound. It's vacation break. Hold on, we're gonna do just close up on that waterfall. Okay, Dusky